So you want to buy a home. That's great. So here's the step from start to finish on what that's going to look like. Step 1, always go to a lender who can help you find the home that fits your budget and your monthly payment. And once you get a pre-qualification from them, you come to someone like me who can send you a personalized list of homes that have every minute detail picked out for you. And then after that, we go and look at each one that you want to look at. And let's say you find one that fits everything perfectly. It's your perfect dream home. What we do next is write an offer on that home. And with that offer, we submit it to the listing agent. And from the listing agent, they get back to us reasonable time. And after that, if we get it accepted, we go into escrow. And what escrow is a time process of how they handle your documents, from anything that are related to your disclosures to anything that's related to outside of the property, such as the neighborhood. And they're going to review all those documents with you. They're going to hold all the documents. And one of the most important steps is your deposit. And when you submit your deposit, it goes to this neutral third-party company. So whatever company that's going to be is going to hold your deposit and make it a smooth transaction so everyone's coordinated, is pretty much what escrow is going to do for you. And then after we go through our escrow period and look at our disclosures, and you go through your home and have, most importantly, your investigation period. So you pull in someone that is a home inspector. They come in, take a look at every little thing around the house, and after they check it off and give you a list, you take a look at it. Sometimes if you don't like what you see, we can ask the seller to make corrections, and if they make those corrections, then we go off and sign off on everything and we start moving forward. The next step would be just getting your financing cleared off with everything that happened within the process. And if your financing is clear, we're clear to close within probably 20-30 days, and then the house is yours and just needs to record. It's all yours. I almost forgot, you're gonna get your keys. That's the most important part of owning a home, is getting your keys. Right when you purchase it, that feeling of right when you have your first key, unlock your door, walk into your brand new house, that's probably one of the best feelings ever. So if you want to start going through that process today, give me a call at 805-468-9316. I'll be happy to put you through that process.